Hi guys, welcome to Prime Review. Today I have storybooks. This is the free app. When you click, let's say I click the Little Red Riding Hood, the books can read to me or read it myself.
In a quaint little village, there lived a lovely little girl. She was merry and bright, and everybody in the village adored her. Her mother loved her very much, and
The books have
My dear,
a little
your grandmother
animation.
is ill. Go and see how she's doing.
It's like
I
a
will.
pop-up book.
Shall we make her favourite pie?
Great idea.
You
She'll
can
like
rotate
that.
it by
Will
your
you
finger
help
around.
me make the pie for my grandmother?
To
And
make
it
the pie
has a
dough,
little
add
games in
together
it.
flour, eggs, butter, sugar and milk in a bowl.
Eggs, sugar. I think that's a powder. And this is sugar. A milk. A butter.
Use a whisk to mix all the ingredients thoroughly.
You can use it to add
Our
a bedtime
dough
story
is
for
ready.
your kids.
Now use a rolling pin to roll the dough out. You must be careful.
Red
You
What
can
a
see
wonderful
there
day.
is a
The sun
very
is shining
animation, very cute animation here.
in the
So many leaves to pick up.
This app has a free chest. In this, when you click, you can have 200 coins. You can see that. Now I have 5,700. If you collect enough coins, you can buy a book. This is the book I bought. Push in the boot.
Our father left us some property in his will.
There are many books in here, and different book has a different price. This Northern New House at 3,000 coin. This Beauty and the Beast has 3,000 coin price. Goldilocks and the Three Bears has 2,000 coin price. And this is another book I had bought. It is Three Little Pigs.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who lived happily with.
Hello, brother. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about building a house to keep me safe and warm. The winter was...
You can use this app to have a good time with your kids before bed. They will love the apps and very entertained. And also the app has free gift too. It is the little games. Like coloring books. Like this.
Wow.
Okay, thank you guys. See you later.